we have been given two matrices A and B. Now matrix A has elements 2, 3, minus 5, 1, 4, 9, 0, 7, minus 2, and matrix B has elements 2, minus 1, minus 3, 4, 1, 2. Now we have to find the values of a₂₂ plus b₂₁, and second a₁₁ into b₁₁ plus a₂₂ into b₂₂. So let us obtain the first value. The first value here is a₂₂ plus b₂₁. So basically we just have to substitute the corresponding elements. Now a₂₂, that is, it is the element of matrix A and its position is second row, second column. So second row, second column. So we have the value 4. So a₂₂ corresponds to 4 plus b₂₁. So this element is from matrix B and its position is second row, first column. So matrix B, second row, first column. The element is minus 3. So basically we have 4 minus 3. So the value is equal to 1. Similarly, we proceed with the second. Here we have to multiply a₁₁ into b₁₁ plus a₂₂ into b₂₂. Now let us substitute the corresponding elements. a₁₁, matrix A, first row, first column. So first row, first column. This is the element. So that is 2 into b₁₁, matrix B, the element and the first row, first column, again that is 2 over here, plus a₂₂, matrix A, the element in the second row, second column. So second row, second column, the element is 4 into b₂₂, matrix B, the element in the second row and the second column. So that is 4. So if we simplify this, now 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 fours is 16. So the total here is 20. So this is how you solve the given question.